be quiet because today's video is a huge video for my sister. I don't know if she's in her room. She's not, which means she's in the guest room because I told her to sleep in the guest room and she listened. Lex, girl, it's cold as crap in here. You don't be cold. Okay, guys, so I want to take you all into what's going on so y'all can figure out. I know y'all are like, what is happening? What is happening? So my sister is literally the best sister in the world. She purchased her home like maybe 2.5 to 3 years ago. And this was one of the projects she never got around to doing, which was updating her master bathroom, changing out. She wanted a matte black shower thing. She wanted to tile it out, but she was kind of like back and forth. And now that she knows she'll sell within like the next year or two, she just kind of wanted to upgrade things. And you know, here are the original faucets, as you guys can see, and then the shower head system. So what I'm doing, you guys, is let me get it together. So what I'm doing today is I am surprising her with a master bathroom upgrade. Yes, you guys, I have partnered with Haro and they have sent your girl the best of the best quality shower, you guys. When I tell you guys this is the best of the best quality, and I cannot wait. I have the contractors here. They're about to come up here and uninstall the original shower that was here and now put in the Haro shower. If you guys have never heard of them, I don't know what you guys are doing. You can find them on Home Depot, but I will have everything listed in my description box so you guys can see everything. But let me give you guys a few of my favorite features about them. Okay, so let's start with what we can see here. I don't know, oh yeah, you can kind of see all these streaks that are going through the shower door. And this is not something that's just normal with everyday usage, because one thing about quality shower doors and glass and things of that nature is always going to be the manufacturer, like where it comes from and things like of that nature. So if you guys do not know, different companies have different grades of material, which means the quality can be less or more depending on where you decide to purchase and invest your coins. Haro, when I tell you guys, my sister came over a couple of weeks ago when we got our basement bathroom upgraded, and we actually got the Haro shower door installed there. And when I say, so many people have been raving about how nice our bathroom looks, like I'm not even a drop-in shower girly, but when I saw what that shower door did to our bathroom, the aesthetics were crazy. I absolutely loved it, and my sister continued to compliment just how nice it looked and was like, oh my gosh, I need to think about something like that for my home. And I'm like, okay, so this is the perfect thing. So as you guys can see, like those swatches that I'm showing you guys down there, sometimes with different material of glass, like you'll be cleaning every single day. Do y'all have parts of y'all house where it feels like no matter how many times you clean, it just continues to stay dirty? Okay guys, so like I said, if you guys watched Jeremy's channel, you would have seen him installing our shower door in the basement. And of course I had to bring him back for this special project for my sister. So go ahead and introduce yourself because my audience does not know you.
Hey everybody, I'm Doug with 1761 Renovations, and we are here today and we are going to be disassembling a current shower door. As you can see here, we're going to be removing this complete unit, and then we are going to be reinstalling with the Haro semi-frameless matte black shower door.
Yes. And what was your experience the first time with installing the Haro brand in comparison to any of the other shower brands that you've worked with?
It was fairly easy to assemble, great quality, and I enjoyed it a lot.
Okay, so we're gonna see how this works and see it in comparison, because I know you didn't have to uninstall anything at our house, so we're gonna just kind of see what is it called, uninstalling of this and then putting in the new one and just kind of see how that goes.
All right,
I'm super excited. Yes.
All right, hold it right. hold this, Riley, right here. So. Take that downstairs, sir, and wherever they need it.
Oh, you can probably put it in
the garage.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's literally nothing. That's nothing. All that fuss over that.
I mean,
that is nothing. Okay, guys, so our drop-in shower is 72 inches. This shower is 76 inches in height, and he was worried about it looking off. And that literally looks perfectly fine. And he also installed our shower with different measurements as well. It's a difference between the actual shower door and the drop-in shower portion. But of course, if you have it tiled out all the way, or however you do it when it's tiled, you can control the measurements. But with drop-in showers, they kind of pretty much come standard. So you don't have to worry about that. The shower door will still be able to, as long as the width that you have is the correct width, you can have this installed as soon as possible by our guy if you're in Atlanta. Use Doug.
Hey, Riley.
No, you go do whatever you got to do. They're bringing the shower door in.
All right, wait a second, Riley. Let me hold it. Let's move this stuff out of the way.
Y'all got down with that. See, you was playing games. You was playing games.
Who was playing
You.
games?
That looks great.
I mean, look, like I said, if you like it, I love it.
I do. I don't know how to turn this on. You know they didn't update it. Yeah, they're putting a sliding shower door in now.
Excuse me. So
I'm in. Well, they have a piece of glass in front of me.
Riley, up and down. You know what I'm trying to do? Go down. Wait, look. Grab it like this, and then go.
Okay.
Be careful, brother. Go ahead. No. We're not sticking it in yet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just stick it inside. We're just sticking it into the back wall.
Okay. Yeah, these tools right here. I'll scratch the floor.
Lift it. Okay.
Now y'all handprints have been on there, and look, the glass still looks better than the other one.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Well, you're gonna have to wait till it gets dry and everything before you can clean it.
Okay, no. So how long is that?
The silicone, once we silicone it, it's about 24 hours.
24 hours, okay.
So you can't shower until
Okay, I'll let her know.
So you guys, I have to go over some of the Haro shower door features that I know you guys are going to love. Hardware will not rust for 10 years with a normal use. More modern and hygienic than shower curtains. And it is a premium clear glass, and all materials are lab tested for quality. The stylish design easily adds elegance to your bathroom. Double sliding doors can be installed in a reversible way. Everything is up to your preference.
Like, it is so beautiful and has literally done this bathroom a 360 already. So I know my sister is going to be super excited when she gets home to see this. They were still working. She left out to go to work. She works the night shift. But I know when she gets back home, she's going to be super, super happy. Let me say this also. They, as you guys saw, were holding the glass, touching the glass, all over the glass. And there is literally minimum fingerprint rails to go inside, but inside and outside. It also has the quality of glass that you need, so it's cutting down on the cleaning. You don't have to worry about the leaks. You don't have to worry about the durability. All those things are just good to go. But I will have it linked in my description box, as well as a coupon code for you guys to check it out. So you guys, thank you so much for sending us this shower door, and thank you for allowing me to help surprise my sister with her mini bathroom upgrade.
Since I had to record it because, you know, I just got off. After that shift I just had, I could not wait to come home and try to get in this shower. Look at it. It is gorgeous. Definitely gives a new modern feel to the bathroom look. I mean, of course, I could do more upgrading, but just this alone, yes, I am loving it. I love that it actually has like the sliding doors as well. So, you know, I'm not great at videoing, so this is probably not going to be the greatest, but I'm in love with this. Yes, and the black definitely gives it a nice feel to it as well. Thank you so much. I'm excited.